Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your Rupal ma'am. Today we will learn about number 16. But before that, let's quickly revise number 1 to 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15.
Now I will teach you a new number 16.
This is number 16. 1 6 16.
Let's count some objects and learn number 16.
In this picture, we have some strawberries. Now let's count how many strawberries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16.
There are 16 strawberries. Now in this picture, we have some colorful butterflies. Now let's count how many butterflies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We have 16 butterflies. In this picture, we have some mangoes. Now let's count how many mangoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We have 16 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16.
we have 16 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We have 16 pegs. Now it's time for worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to find number 16 and circle them. For example, which number is this? This is number 5. So, we will not circle it. Now tell me, which number is this? This is number 16. So, we will circle it. Like this, you have to circle all the 16 numbers.
So my little birdies, keep practicing at home and we will meet in our next session. Bye bye.